The Fort Bend County Fairgrounds have been host to a number of interesting events, and here's one you may have missed. It may look like a toy workshop, but this is serious science. A robotics camp hosted by the Fort Bend 4-H.
Today we're having our robotics camp. It's a 2-day camp. We're on our second day, and it's a camp for kids in and throughout Fort Bend County. And they come in and we do robotic projects, which consist of programming a robot, building a robot, and also doing different tasks with the robot that you built and programmed. So right now they're working on building the big robots, which are, we have like an elephant, a rattlesnake, a guitar, a lawnmower, and other variety of robots that they're working on, and we're going to program them and then we're going to run them so they can see actually what they do. 4-H is one of the largest youth organizations in the country, and the robotic, let's just say, curriculum or the new robotic STEM-related projects that we're doing, it's like a push in the county. So they wanted more STEM-related projects. When I say STEM, I mean science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And when you do robots, you do all four of those. And it's actually a new program in Fort Bend County that we had received grant money for to start. So we're trying to start a 4-H robotic club within Fort Bend County. So if anybody's interested and have kids interested in robots and wants to be in a 4-H club, we just need parents or adult volunteers to lead the club, and we'll be able to compete around the country in different robotic competitions. Yesterday we did junk drawer robotics, where they actually made a catapult and a moving car out of office supplies. And we taught them how to plan your design, you build your design, then you make changes to your design and rebuild it to do what it needs to do. So they learn how to plan, how to design, and how to actually complete a project where it moves using moving parts or just using like a rubber band for like the catapult. It teaches them teamwork, because at this camp they work in groups. And it teaches them teamwork, it teaches them how to be disciplined, it teaches them, determination, because we have a lot of kids right now, they're frustrated with their robot, they want to stop working on it, but that's not an option. We're going to complete the task until it's finished. So that's what 4-H is about. It's about building leadership skills, teamwork skills, so when they get out into the real world, they're able to work with others and have a leadership type attitude. The main push now that we have a camp going, and it was such a big outpouring of kids wanting to attend, we were limited to 35 and we had like at least 50 kids call the office, is that we see that it's a need. So basically we are looking for adult volunteers or parents to come help out or to start a club in their particular area, because we have about 30 clubs throughout the county, and we want to focus on those kids in that area so they don't necessarily have to drive all the way out to the county office to participate in the program. If you find a group of kids in a certain area, we can target that area and get all the kids involved. So we're really looking for adult volunteers and parents that are willing to lead up a club in this particular project.
For more information about upcoming events, you can go online to fortbend.agrilife.org. For information on volunteering, we'll go back to Angela.
They can go to the Extension office, which is located in Rosenberg, or they can call me, Angela Bozier, at 281-342-3034, extension 7007.
For Stafford Magazine, this is Randall Williams.